This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a really easy one that looks kind of bad. It's where water is pouring out of the air gap, and one reason could be that there's some debris caught in the large black tube under the sink. Another could be there's some caught in the garbage disposal where the tube connects. And another one might be that big black tube under the sink has a crimp in it. And this video will show us how to correct that crimp and also some ideas on how you can clean out a clog. It should be really easy, just take you a few minutes. And sometimes all you need is just an old coat hanger. So this is kind of what it looks like. The water just goes shooting out of this thing. That's water coming from the dishwasher drain that's trying to get to the garbage disposer, but that tube is clogged. So it actually comes out here on purpose so that it can go into the sink and not cause too much of a flood. This is a little tool you can get from Amazon, and this can be used to clean out that black tube that goes from the air gap down to the garbage disposal. And if you don't have one of these, you could just use an old coat hanger that's straightened out. This is what that air gap looks like when you take off the cap and you take off the little plastic cap above it. And this is putting one of those brushes down in there. There's actually two tubes, a skinny tube and a big tube. You want to go in the big tube. And this is just using an old coat hanger to straighten it out. And that can be used to go into that bigger tube going in from the top, from the air gap. And that'll just push all the debris out of the way. So that's a fast way to do it. Another possibility though is that the tube is kind of crimped shut, and there's a pretty easy way to uncrimp it. See, this little hose clamp right here has been placed over the part of the tube that was crimped, and then I just carefully tightened that hose clamp to make the tube more round again. And because it was nice and round and open, the water could flow through really easily. But unless you put something on there to make it round, it being too crimped will make the water back up. So this is a really quick and easy thing. You just need about 1.5 inch hose clamp to do that. So here on this diagram we can see that big black tube, and on the right you see the way that the hose was. It was crimped, and then on the left nice round and open, and that'll fix it pretty fast. So a quick fix for you guys. Hopefully that'll help you to get yours going. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.